Welcome CoviEasy user. We are now going to perform the COVID-19 antigen self-test with the result in just 10 minutes in a few simple steps. Before starting the test, make sure to download the CoviEasy app from the Google Play Store or the iOS Store. Fill all the necessary details. Let me show you how it works. Before opening the test kit, wash your hands properly. Dry completely. Find a clean surface to place the kit and open it. After opening the kit, take out the testing components. Instruction manual for the step-by-step self-testing process, a pre-filled extraction tube, a sterile nasal swab, a test device, a disposal bag. Next, take out the test device and keep it ready. Scan the QR code on the test device to link the code with your credentials. Now, you are all set to start the test. Open the pouch and take the tube out of the pouch carefully. Gently tap the tube vertically on a horizontal flat surface to make sure that the liquid settles at the bottom of the tube. Unscrew the cap and place the buffer tube in this circle on the box. It acts as a stand for conducting the process smoothly. Make sure that the contents of the tube do not spill. Now, open the swab package from the tail and take the swab out, but avoid touching the swab head. Insert the nasal swab into your nostril. The swab tip should be inserted up to 2 to 4 centimeters or until it touches the back of your nasal tract. Gently rub the swab against the inside walls of your nostrils. Using the same swab, repeat this process for the other nostril. Next, perform the test. Place the swab inside the extraction tube to mix it with the liquid inside. Swirl it 10 times in the extraction buffer. Pinch the tip in the tube to remove any excess fluid. Hold the buffer tube firmly and snap at the swab handle at the breaking point. Cover the tube with the attached nozzle cap and tighten the lid. Slowly put 3 drops from the extraction tube into the test device. Start the 10-minute timer on the CoviEasy app and wait for 10 minutes for the results to appear. Results that appear after 15 minutes are not valid. You will hear an alarm on your phone from the CoviEasy app to capture the test result. Now, take a picture of your test device. Wait for the Genes2Me AI-powered app to accurately analyze and display the test results. If there is only a quality control line C and no test line T, it indicates that the result is negative. If both the quality control line C and the detection line appear, it means that the result is positive. If quality control line C doesn't appear, it means that the test is invalid. Put all the used components in the provided disposal bag and throw it in the dustbin. Sanitize the surface and wash your hands again. So now you know how simple it is to take the COVID-19 self-test at home. Stay safe and stay healthy.